Welcome to the digital city where the YouTube giant walks tall among media skyscrapers, holding a $400 billion valuation in its grasp. In 2006, Google snagged YouTube for a mere $1.65 billion. Fast forward to today, and boom, it's a $400 billion behemoth. That's like buying a toy car and discovering it's a full-sized, diamond-encrusted Ferrari. YouTube's secret sauce: $5.5 billion in operating profits on a sizzling $45 billion revenue in 2023 alone. But wait, there's more. While the Senate Judiciary Committee was busy elsewhere, YouTube quietly dominated, streaming into our lives more than any other platform. Stack Netflix, Paramount, Warner Bros., and Fox together, and they're still looking up at YouTube's towering value. It's the unspoken ruler of the streaming wars. And in the plot twist of the decade, while everyone's eyeing TikTok, YouTube's just getting stronger. So, should we start an antitrust chat or just keep streaming?